What's up? This is an update video to the my other video that was hard starting F250 Powerstoke diesel 6 liter. Well, you're looking at it right there. That's a dummy plug. I have the valve cover off here, and this is the thing that's, you know, actually once it gets started, it runs fine. But you know, if I stop this truck, you know, I have to wait like an hour and a half, 2 hours to get it started again. So yeah, I have to wait for the oil to thicken up again as it cools off. So finally got frustrated with this freaking thing, and I'm gonna actually get this weekend. I'm gonna take off the replace the dummy plugs, standpipes, and also I'm gonna do the coupler, the turbo coupler. So still gotta do that side and take off the turbo and do the coupler. But yeah, I mean, hopefully once I get this shit fixed with the improved parts, I won't have to worry about this shit for a long time, or hopefully never again. But cool.